everyone, welcome to IAS Dashina. I hope you all are doing very well. So, without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Raksha Mantri exhorts GRSE to build niche platforms in today's evolving tech-driven era to realize government's Viksit Bharat goal. Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh has called upon Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited to continue coming forth with state-of-the-art platforms in sync with the technology-driven era to establish itself as a shining example of shipbuilding excellence in India and across the world, while playing a pivotal role in achieving Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi-led government goal of Viksit Bharat at 2047. He was addressing the GRSE personnel in Kolkata, West Bengal on March 5, 2026. Commending GRSE for its contribution to nation building and blue economy, Raksha Mantri described the Indian shipyard as a vibrant chapter in India's glamorous industrial and defense history, as it has equipped in Indian Navy and the Indian Coast Guard for the past nearly a century and a half, with potent warships and frigates to secure a maritime interest of the nation. When a modern warship built by you sails through the waves of the ocean, it is not just a structure of steel and machinery. It embodies the hard work of thousands of workers, the innovation of engineers, and precision of technicians, and the dedication of the shipyard towards the nation. He said, terming every person working in GRSE as not just an employee but an important part in a larger process of nation building. Sri Rajnath Singh emphasized that through hard work, skill, and commitment, GRSE has achieved what many once considered impossible. He urged the personnel to continue working with the same spirit and play their part in transforming India into a maritime power and a developed nation in the times to come. New challenges will arise, new technologies will emerge, and competition will increase. But with the same hard work, dedication, and commitment, GRSE will become a glowing symbol of shipbuilding excellence for India and the world, he said. As part of the event, a colorful cultural performance of the personnel of GRSE and their families was also presented to Raksha Mantri, who termed it as excellent and a reflection of India's diversity, unity of India, and rich culture heritage. CMD GRSC Commodore PR Hari retired and other senior officials of the Ministry of Defence as well as the shipyard were present on the occasion. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a very nice day.